There is many prerequisites for Siebel installation. We need a Windows server or Linux-based server. And in our scenario, we're going to use Windows Server 2008 or 2012. And I will provide you with some server providers and VPNs that you could use in case you want to use one of the cloud solutions. But let's discuss the installation prerequisites, and in the following video we're going to show you the rest of steps. The prerequisites are an operating system, 64-bit or 32-bit. We're going to use Windows Server. We need to set up and running database. And also we need a web server. Must be 32-bit or support 32-bit applications. We need Oracle client. And we need the domain account, such as domain at your company, and should have service order privileges. These are the prerequisites. We're going to show you all the details from the installation to the configuration, even if you don't have any previous experience. Also, we need an operating system certified from Oracle, such as Windows or Linux, Red Hat server. We need partition for application that should be separated from the OS operating system partition for not getting the system down when partition is full. For example, D app, not C app, because Windows is installed in C. We need IS, Internet Information Server. WebServer must be installed in case of installing Siebel Server Web Extension, SUSE. We need also Oracle 32-bit client. Welcome again to this course, and let's get started.